What if time suddenly stopped for 10 seconds? You're walking down the street, mid-step, mid-breath, and suddenly everything freezes. Cars hang in the air. Birds are suspended like statues. A guy mid-sneeze is permanently stuck in pre-explosion mode. But you can move. Time has stopped for 10 seconds. First thought, what just happened? Second thought, oh no, what can I do? The first experiment, you wave your hand in front of someone's face. Nothing. You clap. Silence. You walk into the street. Cars are frozen inches away from crashing. Raindrops hang like glass beads. You try pushing a raindrop. It moves slightly and just floats there. You realize something terrifying. You are outside time for 10 seconds. You are the only conscious being in the universe. The fun phase. Let's be honest. Most people wouldn't start by solving world hunger. You'd move someone's phone slightly, turn someone's hat backward, switch 2 drinks at a cafe. Time resumes. Confusion everywhere. How did this get here? Why am I holding this? You just created chaos. But then, you get ambitious. The dangerous phase, you notice a car mid-accident. If you push it slightly, maybe you can prevent the crash. You adjust it. Time resumes. Crash avoided. You just saved lives. You feel powerful. But here's the problem. Physics doesn't disappear. If time is frozen, molecules are frozen. Air is frozen, which means, are you even breathing? Technically, oxygen wouldn't be moving. So those 10 seconds, you're holding your breath every time. Now imagine doing this repeatedly. Your lungs burn. Your heart races. You're aging 10 seconds while no one else is. Do it enough times, you grow older faster than everyone around you. The ethical nightmare, 10 seconds is short, but in frozen time, it's unlimited access. You could read secret documents, move critical objects, steal data, change votes, disarm weapons, plant evidence. You could ruin someone's life, or save millions, and nobody would ever know. There's no security camera, no witness, no trace, because to the world, it never happened. The psychological toll. At first, it feels like a superpower. Then it feels lonely, because in those 10 seconds, you are completely alone in existence. No sound, no movement, no response, just silence. And if you use it often, you start separating from humanity. You experience extra time, more life, more isolation. Conversations feel slower. People feel predictable. You begin to feel ahead of the world, disconnected. The worst case scenario. Now imagine this twist. Time stops. You move. 10 seconds pass, but time doesn't restart. You're stuck, alone, forever, in a frozen world. Statues of people mid-laugh, mid-cry, mid-life. You can move objects, but there's no reaction, no consequence, no progress. Eventually, even chaos becomes boring. You realize something terrifying. Time moving forward is what gives life meaning. Without progression, there is no story, no change, no growth. Final question, 10 seconds sounds harmless. But in the wrong hands, it's absolute power. So if time stopped right now, and only you could move, would you fix something? Or would you test how far you could go before anyone noticed? And more importantly, how many times would you press that button?